Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Informative. Guess who am I? Bubbles plus shoot is equal to what? Okay, so comment down if you know it. So yes, of course it is bubble shooter and very interesting game to play. So in this video, as it is a gaming video, so in this video I'll be introducing you bubble shooter game, and I'll be sharing with you that how I played the first level of bubble shooter. So let's go and just see it. So the first question is from where to download it. It's very easy. Go to your Play Store and search for Bubble Shooter Extreme. So see, here it is. Just tap on the install button and install it. See, it's so easy. And now the next question comes, how to play this game. So again, playing this game is very easy. The first level will be very easy and will be like a tutorial session for you. In the first level you will learn each and every rule of the game, and so the next level will be very interesting. So let's begin. So here I have already played this game bubble shooter, so my mostly levels are all having 3 or 2 stars. So here we begin with the first level for you. So here's a hand which is helping you to show where to hit this yellow bubble which is in the circle. So definitely you have to hit the yellow bubble to the yellow group of yellow bubbles, right? Rule number 1. Hit the yellow bubble to the yellow bubbles, and so on with the other colors. And now enjoy the rest of the levels. There are 3 stars like in the title bar above. So there are 3 stars. Those 3 stars will be filled with the green and white color when you will pop all the bubbles within the time and according to your scores. Yay! I popped all the bubbles and I got 3 stars with a score of 14,590. Now let's take a look at the 49th level. This game is damn easy. Just you should know all the rules and the way of playing. You will success in it. Do you know what is important for this game and what is interesting part of this game? Let me tell you. When you pop some groups of bubbles, the excitement when you feel from inside, that is actually the interesting thing of this game, and which is what I also like in this game. Now here you can't pop the black bubbles because they are not a bubble, they are a type of rocks. So you cannot pop them, they'll automatically fall down as shown here. Now here few balloons are tied with knot in the X way, means they are actually knotted with the rope. You can say they are arrested in a way, but when you will hit the blue ball with the blue ball only itself, it will get free and you can again pop with the blue ball and it will get popped. And here again I popped all the balls, means I crossed this level too. Score 19,020 with 3 stars. Cleared. In this level, I have popped again all the balls and again cleared this level. You know what? Playing this again and again is very interesting because when you pop the bubbles, you get some kind of happiness from inside, right? And this is what makes this game more interesting. Hey guys, here we have came to an end of this video. Hope you liked it. Like, share and subscribe to Kids Informative.